Are you a customer of Lloyds Banking Group? That's Lloyds Bank, Halifax, Bank of Scotland. Well, if you are, the company has been in the news a lot lately. So I'm just going to quickly run down what's been going on. So, one story where I was on BBC Radio over was the fact that Lloyds Bank have done a big U turn when it comes to checks. Now, it's not the fact that they stopped checks, it's the fact that they stopped people allowing them to deposit checks in banking hubs and post offices since December 2025. Now, they're now U-turning on this, though people will be allowed to do it again. And really, other big banks are still doing it. So Barclays are still doing it, Santander, NatWest. So, you know, a lot of companies are still doing it. And actually, there's a reason for this, and that's the fact that a lot of bank branches have been closed. And if you think about the fact that your bank branch is shut, your closest use of any check deposits will be, say, a post office or a banking hub. So it is really good news, and consumers were obviously very against the decision when it happened, as were MPs. So, with a lot of public outcry, it's good news that has been changed. The second bit of news is the fact around Halifax. Now, you've probably seen this everywhere. The Halifax brand is going to be phased out by Lloyds Banking Group. It is unfortunate because this is a brand that's been going on for around 170 years, but it's just the changing times, unfortunately. So I was on Channel 5 talking about this briefly the other week. Now, really, what happens with brands is they can get consolidated regardless of how old they are. Brands can keep going as a separate entity, or they can be consolidated within a big banking brand. Now, you have to think about costs involved in keeping brands going, particularly if the brand itself has the same type of product, same rates, etc. So it is unfortunate to see Halifax go, but nothing is going to change for customers right now. I do want to point this out. However, if you are looking to make some money from the change, you could switch from Halifax, you could switch somewhere else and get a free cash offer. There's lots of those going around right now. For example, the Cooperative Bank have a really good package account with a free switching offer on there. They're good fee. You've got Nationwide, you've got loads of different companies offering free cash. So that could be a really good choice for you. But again, don't just go for the free cash. Please don't switch just for the free cash. Make sure that you're moving your bank account to something that works for your everyday banking. I hope this news has been useful to you. And I'm Rachel Springle. I'm a finance expert and I work at Moneyfacts. Please do like the video. Please do comment. Are you a customer of Lloyds Banking Group? Are you upset with changes? Are you happy with the U-turn on the checks? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.